Welcome to the Tech Briefs Media Design the Future contest introduction to the RegenX quantum motor and RegenX quantum EV acceleration motor. So the initial official Tech Briefs Media video only allows for 3 minutes of duration. So in this video, I'm going to basically do the same thing, but I'm going to extend the duration so I can get more information in where you can't do it in 3 minutes. So the RegenX quantum motor is the world's first and only electric motor that performs or outputs mechanical output power, performs positive work, acceleration, kinetic energy increase, but it does not require any electric input power. So the RegenX quantum motor would be integrated into an electric vehicle to provide additional power to the EV's original drive motor, and also to provide regenerative acceleration when the conditions warrant it. So what I'm going to do is bring the system up to speed, and I'm going to engage I'm going to bring the system up to speed with the EV drive motor, which is right here, and we will be able to monitor the power consumption to the EV drive motor, and then I will be switching between motor mode and regenerative acceleration mode. In regenerative acceleration mode, we are recharging the EV's battery, and we are producing system acceleration. That's where the EV regenerative acceleration idea comes from. And basically what I'll be doing is switching between motor action and generator action, so you can get an idea of what the RegenX coils are capable of. So the first step is to bring the system up to rotational equilibrium. Currently we're at rotational equilibrium. The speed of our system is stabilized at 3,337 RPM. The input to our EV drive motor is 507 watts. And now I'm going to engage the RegenX quantum motor. And pay attention to the power consumption by the EV drive motor. It's going to drop by about 200 watts. Speed currently is 3,475 RPM. The energy energy consumption in our EV drive motor has reduced by about 60%, and we have increased the rotational kinetic energy of the system by about 362 joules at 165 RPM. So now I'm going to put the RegenX quantum motor into regenerative acceleration mode, and we are going to recharge the EV's battery, and we're going to accelerate the system. So currently we're delivering 4.83 amps to the battery, and we have increased the speed of our system, and our input to our drive motor has gone down. RPM, 505 watts to the EV's drive motor. RPM and 4.83 and 70 watts of regenerative acceleration to the battery. So once again, we will put it into RegenX generator mode. So this coil is in motor mode right now, and here we can see the amount of current that's circulating through the coil. Amps is being converted to mechanical power. Coil number 3 that's currently in the prototype is a conventional generator coil, in that when it delivers power to the battery, it decelerates the system. So what we'll see is the input to the prime mover will increase when I place it on load. 3.3 amps to the to regenerative braking. And regenerative acceleration. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Cheers for now.